Hostinger Website Builder is a powerful tool. You can use it to create a website. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or an expert. Hostinger makes it easy. You don't need to know any coding. This guide will walk you through the process. We will show you how to use Hostinger Website Builder. We will cover all the important steps. You will learn how to build a beautiful website. Hostinger offers many features. You can choose from templates, you can add images and text, you can even build an online store. The best part is that Hostinger is affordable. It is a great option for businesses of all sizes. Are you ready to get started? Let's dive in. First, you need to sign up for Hostinger. Visit the Hostinger website. Choose a plan that fits your needs. Once you have signed up, you can log into your account. Next, you need to choose a template. Hostinger offers a wide variety of templates. You can find one that matches your brand. You can customize the template to your liking. Now you can start adding content. Use the drag and drop editor. Add text, images and videos. You can also add forms and buttons. Don't forget to save your work regularly. This will prevent you from losing any changes. Hostinger makes it easy to design a beautiful website. You can customize the look and feel of your website. Choose from different fonts and colors. You can also add your own logo and branding. Hostinger also allows you to create a mobile-friendly website. This is important. Most people access the internet on their phones. Make sure your website is easy to navigate. Use clear and concise menus. Add a search bar. This will help visitors find what they are looking for. Once you are happy with your website, it's time to launch it. Hostinger makes this process simple. Click on the Publish button. You can connect your website to a custom domain. This will make it easier for people to find your website. You can buy a domain name through Hostinger. Congratulations, you have successfully launched your website. Now you need to promote it. Share it on social media. Tell your friends and family. Start building your online presence today. Use this link to try Hostinger.